Hey guys! Okay, so I've got a quick video for you today about binaural beats. I'm curious, leave a comment below if you have already heard of binaural beats or if this is totally new for you. I wanted to bring this up because it's becoming very popular to be used in meditation music. And while there are a lot of health benefits for binaural beats, there are also some groups of people for whom it may not be ideal. And so I wanted to go through that not only for my audience, for people who might be listening to my meditations, but also for anyone taking my current course, how to create, edit, and share your own meditations so that you know what binaural beats are when you're adding them potentially to your meditation tracks. So, what are binaural beats? Basically, what is happening when you hear a track that contains binaural beats is that there are two different frequencies being played through both sides, two different sides of the stereo, or through each of your headphones. So on one side, you have one frequency. On the other side, you have another frequency, anywhere between 1 and 30 hertz apart from each other in frequency. So close, but not the same frequency. What your brain, instead of just hearing these two different things, it actually will hear those two frequencies, and it will hear a third frequency, which is a subtraction of the two, the difference in the frequency. So now you're hearing one sound here, and then a third sound that is the difference between the two. That has been said to have a lot of different benefits. And basically, the way that your brain is processing this, it's said to create the same sort of brain waves that you would get in meditation. So in other words, just listening to binaural beats supposedly will put you into a meditative state, which sounds amazing, right? So some of the benefits associated with binaural beats are reducing anxiety, increasing focus and concentration, lower stress, more relaxation, improved mood, creativity, helping to manage pain. I listen to binaural beats a lot when I am working, so I need to be in a concentration mode, or a lot of the different meditations that I listen to, meditation music, also includes binaural beats. Sounds great. Why wouldn't everyone just listen to binaural beats all the time? Well, one reason, if you're uploading a track to Insight Timer, it will actually ask you this question, does it contain binaural beats? The reason they're asking you this is because some people shouldn't be listening to binaural beats because of that variation in noise and the thing that it's doing to your brainwaves. Those people would be people who have a tendency towards seizures. So if you can imagine, you go to a concert and the flashing lights are also not good for people who have issues with seizures, right? So it's kind of like flashing lights, but music. It's doing a lot of stuff to your brainwaves, quickly changing your brainwaves, making your brain do a lot of refocusing, understanding, putting together. And so that is not great for people who have a tendency to have seizures. So if you are wanting to create a meditation that just anybody can listen to and not have to worry about that, you want to leave out the binaural beats. If you're creating a meditation and you put on there, yes, this does contain binaural beats, that's totally fine too. Just know that there is an audience that will not be able to listen to that based on wanting to protect themselves from the possibility of a seizure if they have that tendency. So kind of a PSA, I guess. I love listening to binaural beats, but I also want you to have the knowledge for yourself and for your potential meditation listeners as to what they are, the potential benefits, and the potential issues for some of your listeners. All right, guys, that was a quick one. Hope it was helpful and interesting though, and have a beautiful rest of your day. Talk to you soon.